Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, it just gets funnier and funnier within the Nigerian space. It is really unbelievable stuff. As guys, I bring you this. Kaduna government takes bishop to court for saying Governor El Rufai will never be Nigeria's president. So this is now where we are now within the Nigerian space. It beggars belief. Kaduna government takes bishop to court for saying Governor El Rufai will never be Nigeria's president. So now let's now see how this fleshes out. The Kaduna state government has arraigned Abiodun Ogunyemi, Bishop of Zaria Diocese Anglican Communion, in court for saying that the state governor, Nasir El Rufai, will never be president of Nigeria. Ogunyemi made the statement in November 2019 over the demolition of churches in Kaduna State. He said that the governor should stop embarrassing himself with demolition of churches in any part of Kaduna State, noting that any attempts to demolish shops or properties in Sabon Gari market is evil, callous and wicked, and will be associated with the wrath of God. The whole of Sabon Gari market is our land acquired in the early 1900s with genuine C of O, which we have submitted to the state government for ratification. Any attempt by El Rufai to demolish any of our properties in that market will be a direct assault on the church in the whole of Nigeria. The governor should know that he will never be president of Nigeria. I speak prophetically as a servant of the living God, the bishop said. Ogunyemi was arraigned before a chief magistrate court in Kaduna on charges bordering on criminal defamation, injurious falsehood, and criminal intimidation. It was reported he pleaded not guilty to the charges leveled against him and was granted bail by the court. A member of the Kaduna Synod and a canon of the Cathedral Church of St. Michael Kaduna stood in as surety. However, Director of Prosecutions, who led the state legal team, told the court that there were ongoing consultations which could lead to a peaceful resolution of the case. The magistrate adjourned the case until October the 28th, 2020 for continuation. So now, it's just ludicrous, you know, because you will have to recall that Showore is being held now. We are under some of the charges being leveled against him being, of course, insulting the president and cyberbullying. So now, this guy now, our Fulani governor of Kaduna State, is going around with bulldozers demolishing all of the churches within the state, and the churches now have the effrontery, at least one of the church now had the effrontery to stand up to him and rebuke him. And then now, for rebuking him, he has now frogged marched this bishop to the front of some northern court to come and answer charges for rebuking him, and especially for saying he would never be the president of Nigeria. Well, he will never be the president of Nigeria because, of course, that seat must come to the south come 2023. There's no moving on that. And by the time that is if it ever goes back to the north, if they're still in Nigeria after whoever from the south has served 2 terms, it will definitely not go to El Rufai because of his antecedents which are known to Nigeria, and by then, of course, his age will be one that the Nigerian people would recoil from. So yes, he will never be the president of Nigeria. We know he's agitating very hard for that, but I don't think that will be going his way, and I don't think this bishop has crossed the line that much to the point that he's frogged march to the front of a Fulani court to be judged under Fulani laws. Conversations in the comment section, the prickly nature of these people is getting out of hand. Extremely sensitive people. They are brutalize the country and they are expecting the country not to cry out. It's like you smacking a child and asking him not to make a sound or her not to make a sound. This is what is going on within the Nigerian space. Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done the clickings, come join me then in the comment section. Come tell me what you're making of this rather ridiculous stuff that is going on within the Nigerian space. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.